What's up guys, this is a video on the Makita LXT 18 volt hammer drill DHP453Z. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £49 for it, and what I will do is I will leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, first of all we've got this, what's come with it. So this is the Makita range of tools, and this is what I call the temptation. When you start looking at things like that, you think, oh, I need that one as well. So I try not to look at these too much, but I do look at them. So right, you get that. You get some instructions and stuff. It does say that it comes with 1 year warranty, but if you register it within 4 weeks of purchase, they will extend the warranty to 3 years. So that's definitely worth doing. So make sure you do register it. And then we've got the manual for it itself, the instructions manual. It says both the instructions manual. So right guys, this is the impact driver itself, the LXT 18 volt, and it takes lithium ion batteries. So I'll let you have a quick look round it. I'll try to get my fat hands out of the way. That's the back of it. It's all got nice rubber protection, rubber handle. It's got rubber here as well, so it stops any vibrations or anything. It's pretty comfortable to hold. That's the top of it. I've shown you the front of it. So right guys, what can I tell you about it? So the actual drill is 232 millimeters long, which is 23 centimeters. The height is 240 millimeters, which is 24 centimeters. And it weighs around 1.7 to 2 kilos, depending on what battery you put on. So I think it weighs 1.7 kilos at this moment of time. So if you see here, it's got a forward and a reverse. And if you leave it in the middle, it's an actual lock button, stops you pressing the trigger. So if you've got this stored away anywhere and you don't want the batteries to drain, and you know sometimes the trigger does get pressed and it ends up draining the battery, so that's worth locking definitely. So we've got the trigger switch here. This is a variable switch control, so if you press it a little bit, it'll give you a little bit power. If you press it more, it'll increase to full power as you press it fully. So right, on the top of it here, you can see it's got 3 modes here. It's got the rotary hammer action, and it's got 2 gears here. So it's got gear 1 and 2. So in the rotary hammer action, in gear 1, it will do 0 to 6,000 blows per minute, and in gear 2 it will do 0 to 19,500 blows per minute. So after that, it's got the screw tightening mode, and that will do wood screws from 6 millimeters to 75 millimeters, and machine screws from M6, and torque screws from 1 to 16. So basically that's the torque mode on here. But you can set it from 1 to 16. So that's the torque level, so that stops you from over tightening the screws in any way. So after that, we've got the rotary drill mode, and basically that will drill into masonry 13 millimeters, and it will do steel up to 13 millimeters, and it will drill into wood 36 millimeters. So basically on the front here we've got the chuck, and the chuck will go to 1.5 millimeters to 13 millimeters. So that's everything on the drill itself. I'm trying to think what else can I tell you about it. Some information there if you can read that. Just have a quick look in here. So this is all the rest of the information in here, and this is our drill here. So if there's any more information you can pause that and read that. I think I've pretty much gone over everything. So right guys, that's everything here. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can tell you about it. I think that's about it really. But yeah, that's the LXT 18 volt hammer drill. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and it gives you a first look at it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.